Lagos. Lagos, sometimes referred to as Lagos State, to distinguish it from Lagos metropolitan area, is a state located in the southwestern geopolitical zone of Nigeria, the smallest in area of Nigeria 36 states with a population of over 15 million. Lagos State is arguably the most economically important state of the country, the nation's largest urban area. It is a major financial center and will be the fifth largest economy in Africa if it were a country. Welcome! If you're just joining us, or in case you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to press the subscribe notification button to keep you updated of our latest videos that will be educative and informative. Nigeria's largest city, Lagos, is constructing a light rail system under a public-private partnership (PPP). The Lagos Rail Mass Transit System project is sponsored by the Lagos State Government and being developed by Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority (LAMATA). LAMATA has proposed 7 rail lines in the network. Blue Rail Line. The Blue Line is running on an elevated platform, moves from Marina along the National Theatre station. It makes a descent at Igomun to join the expanded Lagos-Badagry Expressway. The expansion conceived to ease link between Nigeria and neighboring West African states. It moves from Alaba to Maitu, from Maitu to Alakija to Trade Fair Station to Volkswagen, and from Volkswagen to Lasso, and finally to Okokomaiko. One of the 2 bridges being built for the Blue Line is at Maitu. Then we have the Red Rail Line. The Red Line begins as a double line at Marina and runs through Ebute Ero, ending at Ido. It then runs northwards via a reverse curve to reach Ebute Meta. The line goes straight to Yaba, Mushin, and Oshodi before reaching Ikeja. At Ikeja station, the Red Line is linked to the line from the international and domestic airport terminal. From Ikeja, a single line will run to the airport terminus. The Red Line moves as a double line further northwards from Lagos Ikeja to pass through Agege, Iju, and finally reaches Agbado. The passenger railway service run by Nigerian Railway Corporation (NRC) from the north will terminate at the Agbado interchange. Passengers traveling to Marina using NRC services will change train at Agbado and continue their journey on the Red Line. Some of the Red Line section from Agbado will run on NRC corridor tracks. Other lines include yellow, brown, green, purple, and orange line. China Civil Engineering Construction Company (CCECC) was appointed as the contractor for the construction of the Blue Rail Line. The contract includes the fundamental design and development of the rail infrastructure. CCECC NECC is constructing the Blue Line in two phases. The first phase includes National Theatre to Mile 2, and the second involves the Mile 2 to Kokomaiko section. Construction of the Blue Line was initially expected to be completed by 2011, but was delayed to 2020 due to funding issues. The first two lines of the Urban Light Rail project are estimated to cost $1.4 billion. The red line will be 35 km long and will run between Marina and Agbado. The blue line will be 27 km long, connecting Okokomaiko to Marina. The blue line will cost $1.2 billion and is being funded entirely by the Lagos State government. In May 2012, the Lagos government commenced negotiations with potential investors for the operation and maintenance of the line. The 35 km long red line will use the existing Nigeria Railway Corporation corridor, constructed through a concession arrangement. The construction of the line commenced in 2021. The concession contract will be for the operation and maintenance of the lines for 25 years. The scope of work for the concessionaire will also include design, signal stations, control and communication stations, supervisory control and data acquisition system, depot and workshop facilities, and operations control center and a training facility for train drivers. The urban rail network is anticipated to operate with 12-car trains, with more cars added according to demand. The maximum number of cars will, however, be limited to a 16-a train. The 16-car trains will be 352 meters long and 12-car trains 264 meters long. The cars will accommodate 300 passengers each. The light rail system will employ the latest train authorization system, automatic train protection (ATP), and in-cab signaling in all of its lines. The wayside equipment will be minimized so that the drivers will not exceed the authorized movement limit. The ATP will help to maintain the speed restriction set on the lines to ensure that the signaling is available during power cuts. A backup power system will be fitted. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press the notification button to get latest and interesting videos of updates of happenings of events in Nigeria. Thank you.